Hey everyone, Technomint here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a photo on your iPhone using the high key mono effect. So let's get started. Now this is a feature that's available on iPhone 13 or newer. So if you have anything older than that, it will not work. So the first thing you'll do is go into your camera app on your iPhone. From there on, instead of going on the regular photo, you want to go to portrait mode here. From there on, you're going to take your finger, swipe up, and then go counterclockwise until you get to this high key light mono effect that we just mentioned. From there on, in order to take a photo with that feature, you simply click on it like you would at the normal photo, and that's going to be a photo taken with the high key light mono effect. You can also swipe up a little bit here to use other features as well to make the photo the way you would like, but this is how you activate that feature. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.